Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Lsat study schedule, full guide. Start by taking a timed diagnostic exam to find your baseline score and weak question types. Break your plan into weekly blocks that alternate concept, review, and timed practice. Allocate focus sessions for logic games, logical reasoning, and reading comprehension. Track progress with practice tests every 2 to 3 weeks and adjust. Create a weekly routine that fits your energy and calendar, aiming for consistency rather than marathon days. Use 90 to 150-minute sessions so you can warm up and focus deeply on one topic. Balance new lessons with timed drills and review, and reserve one longer session for a full timed section or test. Rest strategically to avoid burnout and keep improvements steady and measurable. Design each study block with clear micro-goals so you always know what success looks like for that session. Start with a short warm-up to build momentum, then dive into focused practice using timed questions and targeted drills. Close every block by reviewing every error, noting patterns, and writing one actionable correction. This simple structure makes daily progress feel manageable and keeps learning efficient and intentional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.